Taking your content seriously on YouTube is more important than you might think, as well as the type of content you're presenting on your channel. See, content creators don't realize that every social media platform has different policies. And as much as you may think you see everything on YouTube, doesn't mean that what you saw will live on the platform if the content doesn't fit policies set for each platform. On today's episode, I break down the banned topics on YouTube so you won't be left in the dark, and possibly, worst case scenario, building a come and go channel on YouTube. So here it is, content topics you should avoid on YouTube. Let's get it. See, as a YouTube creator, there are certain content topics that you're not allowed to talk about. Covering, depicting, promoting, or talking about them can get you a strike. Getting 3 strikes within 90 days will lead to a termination on your YouTube channel. So, what exactly are these content topics that you're not allowed to talk about on YouTube? Number 1, spam and deceptive practices. According to YouTube, content that constitutes spam and deceptive practices include the following. You're using misleading metadata or thumbnails if your title doesn't match the content of the video. Your thumbnails do not reflect the actual content on the video, and your description is deliberately false to fool viewers into clicking onto your videos. And also if your tags are initially misleading. Number 2, video spam. You're committing video spam if your content promises to show one thing but instead redirects viewers off-site. Viewers to the site spreading harmful software, collecting personal data, or engaging in any other harmful activity goes down as video spam. Also, promises quick money to lure viewers off YouTube will go in the category of video spam. Number 3, comment spam. Now, comment spam includes the following. Comments whose sole aim is to collect viewers' personal data, deceptively driving viewers off-site, or indulging in other prohibited behavior goes down as comment spam. Number 4, we can say repetitive comments. See, repetitive comments, this involves leaving large amounts of repetitive content that is both identical and under-targeted or off-topic. See, this messes up the comment section for everybody. Also, like in my last episode you guys watched, scams. YouTube deems that your content is committing a scam if it is. Offering cash gifts as incentives, promoting get-rich-quick schemes, advocating pyramid schemes. These are all scams. Also, which is new on YouTube, is live stream abuse. You're violating YouTube content guidelines if you live stream content that belongs to others and refuse to take it down after repeated warnings. Some other banned spam and deceptive practices to avoid. YouTube also frowns upon content that impersonates or closely resembles a person's brand or entity with the intent to trick viewers into believing that you are that person, brand, or entity. Also, abuses external links by linking to sites or content that violates YouTube's community guidelines. Linking to pornography or sites with malware. Also, if you promote fake engagement by encouraging to use an unethical means to increase the number of likes, views, comments, shares, etc. Repost content from previously removed content or content from restricted, terminated creators. See, YouTube really pays attention to sensitive content. To protect its community of users, YouTube has also banned content that encourages child harm, sex and nudity, and self-harm. Here are the types of content that YouTube deems sensitive. Nudity and sexual content. As a YouTube creator, you're not allowed to post explicit content intended to be sexually gratifying. According to YouTube, Nudity and sexual content include content that depicts pornography isolated to show explicit content for sexual gratification. Fetishes, groping, pantsing, public masturbation, upskirting are all things that are not allowed. The genitals, breasts, or butt. Someone in sexualized manner without their consent. These are all things that are not allowed on YouTube. And it goes all under explicit content, nudity and sexual content. Stay tuned for part 2 because it gets crazy on things you can and can't do. Until next time, Mickey made it.